Hey guys, welcome to DezLogic. This is the third video of the playlist that I've created for you guys on Adobe Illustrator for iPad. If you haven't checked out the previous videos, I will put the links in the description. You can check them out. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, in this video, I will try to explain almost everything about the selection tool. This selection tool is used to select the elements or objects in your workspace. So it alone doesn't work, so you have to add some shapes or text so you can understand the functionality of this selection tool. As you can see, selection tool doesn't work if there is nothing in your workspace. So to understand the functionality, let's add a shape. Now, as you can see, it's freely moving around because we haven't tapped on the small circle on the workspace, which is the shift key on your keyboard. You can tap on the small circle and you can see it's now constrained. So all the sides are increasing and decreasing at the same time. And if you drag it a little bit, it will increase and decrease from the center. So now we have a shape. As you can see, we have a couple of options below that square. The first one is the opacity. If you drag this on the right, it's 100%, and if you drag it on the left, it will decrease the opacity of the shape or any other element you are working on or that is selected. So if we completely do it, it will be a transparent shape. So if you drag it on the right, it will be 100%. So this is the opacity. So the next one is the stroke width. You can change the width of your stroke by using this option. For now, as you can see, we haven't added any stroke color. So let's add a color to the stroke. Maybe like red is okay for me. Okay, now when you tap on this, just slide the circle to the right, it will increase the width of your stroke, and if you slide it to the left, it will decrease the stroke width, and in the end you have 0 pixel stroke. So this is the stroke width option. So the next one is the stacking order. I will discuss this in a few seconds. The other one is the move tool. You can just tap on this move arrows and you can drag your shape or any other element and you can change the position. So the next one is the lock tool. You can lock your element, shape, text, anything that you have created by tapping this lock icon. This is now locked and you can edit further to this shape. So if you want to unlock it, just tap on this small lock icon on the top left corner and this is now unlocked. So the next option is not applicable in this scenario. I will discuss this in a few seconds. The next one is the plus icon, which means that this shape is now duplicated. So you can just tap and drag. You have your duplicated shape. And if you select both these shapes, there is an option that I have shown you guys that was not applicable in previous scenario, because this is a group option. If you want to group these two shapes, you can tap on this icon and now this will like a group. So if you want to ungroup them, just tap on this icon again, and this is now ungrouped. Okay, so there was another option that I haven't discussed before, that was stacking order. So because that includes two shapes, so now let's change the color of this square to maybe red. Okay, so stacking order is the option that is applicable in the situation where you have overlapping elements. For example, if this black square is above this red square, and if you want to move the red square on top and push that black square behind, you can tap on this red square and tap on this stacking order option and slide this circle to right. Now this red square is above the black one, so we have changed the stacking order of these overlapping elements. And if you want to put it back in the background of the black square, you can just slide it to left and it will go behind the black one. So these are the options that are available for the shapes if we select the shapes. So I want to show you guys some other options that are a little bit different from the shape options that selection tool will give us. So let's try it out. Tap on this type tool and tap anywhere on your artboard, and here is a sample text. As you can see, we have some options down below, and the first one is the keyboard option. You can simply type by using this keyboard. Okay, maybe hello. Okay, the next one is the text size. You can increase the size of the text by sliding this circle to the right, and you can decrease it by sliding it to left. The next one is the letter spacing. If you slide it to the right, it will increase, and if you slide it to left, it will decrease. The next one is the line spacing. This option is applicable in the scenario where you have a paragraph, and this will increase the line spacing within that paragraph. So rest of the options are similar, and there is also a bin icon. You can delete all the element that is selected by tapping on this icon like that. If you want to delete these squares, you can also tap on this bin icon and they are deleted. So guys, I am planning to make videos on these tools one by one, so I can explain them in detail what they can do for you. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.